Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to limit someone's computer usage without installing any extra software, just using a built-in Windows command called NetUser. This works on both Windows 11 and Windows 10, and it's a simple way to control when a local user account is allowed to log in. Let's get started. You might want to set screen time rules for kids, restrict access to a shared family computer, or limit guest account access. Whatever your reason, Windows has a built-in way to control this using time-based restrictions all through the command prompt. To get started, open Command Prompt as admin. Right-click on the command prompt and choose Run as administrator. You'll need admin privileges to make changes to other user accounts. First, run this command. This command shows all local user accounts on the system. The NetUser command lets you manage local user accounts. You can use it to set time limits using a special option called time. Here's the basic format. You'll replace username with the actual account name and allowed wrong times with the days and times you want that user to be allowed to log in. Let's break it down. Windows uses two-letter abbreviations for days of the week, and the time must be in 12-hour format with AM or PM, like 9 AM to 5 PM. For example, this command will only allow the Zach account to log in Monday through Friday from 9 AM to 5 PM. Outside of those hours, the account won't be able to log in. If you want to allow Zach to use the PC only on weekends from 10 AM to 2 PM, you can use a command like this one. After running this command, Zach will only be able to log in on Saturdays and Sundays during those hours. If you ever want to remove time restrictions and allow full access again, just use this. Want to check a user's current settings? Just run this. You'll see the logon hours displayed here. It might show none if login is currently blocked. Want to completely block access? Just use this. This command disables the Zach account. If someone tries to log in with that account, Windows will reject it. You can also force password changes to limit access. This makes the account expire on a set date. Use semicolons to separate multiple time ranges. For example, to allow access on Mondays 8 AM to 5 PM and Saturday 10 AM to 2 PM, the command would look like this. A few important things to remember: this only works for local user accounts, not Microsoft accounts. Users can still stay logged in beyond the allowed hours if they were already logged in, unless you force log off with other tools. As this doesn't restrict in-app usage, internet time, or screen time, just login ability. And that's how you can quickly limit someone's computer usage without installing any software, just using the NetUser command. It's a simple, effective way to add basic time control tool to local accounts on Windows 10 or 11. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more Windows tips and tricks.